President Barzani, thank you so much for the warm welcome back to Erbil. It is a great honor for me to return in my first visit to Iraq as Vice President, to be able to come here to the Kurdish region. And I want to extend to you first and foremost the greetings and the respect of President Donald Trump. I want to thank you, though, Mr. President, for making time for an important opportunity to discuss the enduring bond that exists between the Kurdish people and the people of the United States of America. I'm especially grateful to be able to be with you today. In a time when we reflect on the extraordinary success of our partnership in defeating and capturing the territory of the ISIS Caliphate. In March of this year, because of the courage of our armed forces, the courage of the Peshmerga and our Kurdish allies in Syria. Mr. President, I just want to express to you our thanks and our enduring commitment to support your leadership here in the Kurdish region of Iraq, and also to remain resolved with you in ensuring that ISIS, Daesh, or any other terrorist elements will not be able to gain a foothold in this region again.
سبب بناوی گلی کردستان به همو پیکاتکانی و سپاسی ولاده گردکان امریکا بکەین بۆ ئەو دەعمەی کە هەیان بووە بۆ ئێمە لە شەڕی ترۆریستانی داعشدا.